A great week, and we will talk to you next week.
If in every K position of
They keep each other company when you're at work.
The possibilities of
Whoa. Hey, cat.
All the no, you can't.
I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up.
Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
Abandono. Gente.
Estamos com uma visita.
Possible late 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just...
You are watching with, oh, hi, there's your cat.
my research assistant.
It's very...
If you can see him, my cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can. That's Puffy.
Puffy.
So we want to see every morning photos of the nurses that are in your life. Oh, my cat came to say hello.
And I was going to ask you later, but that's...
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
3, 2, 1. Stop it.